Hello everyone, my name is Alessandro and today you are going to see how this carnaroli is not just rice. Today we make the risotto with zucca and gorgonzola, and risotto with pumpkins is a really famous dish in Italy, a really old one, and it comes from la cucina povera, the poor kitchen. Instead of butter and parmesan in the end for the mantecatura, and the mantecatura is the process when you do the creamy sauce with the rice, we are going to use the gorgonzola. And the gorgonzola gives an extra taste, a really particular one. So the ingredients for today are 300 grams carnaroli rice, you can use arborio if you want also, 250 grams pumpkins, la zucca, 2 shallot onions, 150 grams gorgonzola, a glass of white wine. A dry white wine is better. First step, shallot onion. It's okay to have also the normal one, the yellow one. You take it inside the pan, little bit of olive oil, maybe a spoon. In the meanwhile, we take our pumpkins and we start to take away the skin, and now you cut like that, small cubes of pumpkins. Oi, look, I had a little bit of skin there and there. Alessandro, what are you doing? Take it and put it in the pan together with the onion. Yes! They are chit-chatting inside. You wait 1 minute here and you let them roast together. Okay, now it's time to put our beloved, yes, bouillon. Not too much, you don't want to do a soup. The stock will give the extra taste and it will help the pumpkins to get softer. You need to roast your rice, so the rice it's ready to take all the flavor. You activate this process. I didn't use anything, and you can see also the rice became more like transparent. You can hear the rice when you are roasting it, okay? Oh, yeah, it's warm. Now it's time for the white wine, dry white wine, and you put inside it. And you wait until the alcohol from the wine go away. The waves of love. I take my pumpkin sauce and now I put my rice inside, okay? Inside. You don't need a high temperature, and you put the hot stock there. Not too much, you need only to cover it. You are not making a soup, a rice soup. We usually say if you give love to rice, the rice gives love back to you. So put love on your food, please. My rice need to cook for about 18 minutes, okay? Let's wait and let's follow this amazing friend. In the meantime, we are going to prepare our gorgonzola. We take away the skin, so away the skin, and then we cut it like that. That. So you take it off from the heat, and now it's the time for la mantecatura. And la mantecatura means that I put my cheese inside, and the cheese is going to take all this liquid from the stock and is going to make a creamy sauce for the risotto. So you put the gorgonzola inside and then you stir it. You stir it so the old gorgonzola goes everywhere, and you leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? You don't touch it for 2-3 minutes. Yes! Now the risotto is done. Oh, so much cream, look. Risotto con zucca e gorgonzola.